What is that noise I'm hearing in the toilet? Oh, I'm gonna have to call for some help. I can't get this to work. All right. I guess I'll have to call a plumber. Ring, ring. Hello, is this Mario Brothers Plumbing?
Yeah.
Bring, bring, bring.
Who's there?
Hi, I have some plumbing issues. Is this Mario Brothers Plumbing?
Yep.
My toilet's making a really funny noise and I don't know how to fix it. Is there any way you can come right now?
Yeah.
I'm at 123 Wonderland Lane.
Okay.
See you then. Here.
Is this the house?
Yeah, Mario, come on in. Just straight ahead. So I've been having some problems. I don't know. It's making a funny noise. I don't know if one of the kids put something in the toilet. I'm hoping you can fix it.
Okay. Okay. It seems like it's just so you know when the big thunder was on?
Yes, the storm.
Yeah, it was like that's what it's from.
Okay.
So I'm gonna check in the toilet now.
Okay.
Okay. Ah, it's pulling me in!
To be continued at MJ Cubed Kids. Don't forget to like and subscribe to find out what happens next.